1, 2, 3, Bobcat!
Woohoo! Let's play some ball! Very good. Do you like the asshole?
Yes! All right, next one we're running. There, now, swing away. There you go, line it up.
Look at that. Nice work! Woo!
Nice.
All the way!
Do you like to play on swing sets too?
We are taking an old baseball field that used to be a real central part of this surrounding community here in Waco, Texas, and we're going to bring it back to life. I sincerely believe that here, outside, out in this dirt, kids, families, communities coming together, it's like that's where life happens.
This type of project is going to really engage the community and give them a new space or an old space redone that they can come out and play.
And we encourage everyone to look into their local communities and see where there might be an opportunity for Bobcat to show up and help you renovate your community.
I can't wait to find out what community is lucky enough to win that second opportunity to basically renovate one of their local parks.